Desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa Vice President Sara impeachment maaari pang mabaliktad ayon sa isang retired Supreme Court Justice. Kasama natin sa balitang yan si Rajuman Jairus, Peña, Florida.
RMN Live Report!
Hindi pa pinal ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema na nagdedeklarang unconstitutional o labag sa saligang batas ang impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Yan ang iginiita ng dating maestrado ng SC matapos ang inilabas na ruling ng kataas-tasang hukuman noong nakarang linggo na nagsabing hindi maaaring mapunta sa jurisdiction ng Senado ng impeachment complaint at hindi rin pwedeng umusada sa kapihan sa Manila Bay kanina. Sinabi ni retired Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio na ito ang dahilan kung bakit maaari pang maghain ng motion for reconsideration ang House of Representatives. Ibig sabihin may tsansa pa niyang mabaliktad ang desisyon. Iginit pa ni Carpio na dapat hindi muna huminto ang Senado sa pag-aksyon sa impeachment proceeding.
Well, if the decision becomes final, of course we have to follow the final ruling of the Supreme Court. It's the final arbiter. Whether it's correct or not, that's the final ruling. We have to wait for another occasion when it will be reversed. But it's not yet final. It's only executory, but not yet final because the House still has a motion for reconsideration. So I would think that the Senate should just hold in abeyance any action because it's not yet final. Normally, you act when it's already final. There's a chance, because it's not yet final, there's still a chance it could be reversed or changed because there's a motion for reconsideration.
Tapon, sinabi ng Senado na tatalakayin nila ang ruling sa impeachment sa susunod na Miyerkules, August 6. Kasama mo sa DCXL RMN Manila, Radyo Manjairos, Peña, Florida, Tatak RMN.